Hey Aggies, this is how you can search for classes using the course search tool. You can start off by going to our summer sessions website, searching for the tab labeled courses, and clicking on it. Once you're at the courses page and scroll down a little bit, you'll find a section labeled course search, which also contains a how-to guide for using this tool. You'll want to click on the class search tool button, and it should redirect you to the main page where you can select the summer session term you'd like to look into. Once here, it's easy to find any sort of classes you're searching for by simply applying filters depending on your needs. For example, if you're searching for simpler classes that only have a few units, then you can select the amount of units in this section. If you plan on being out of town and are searching for virtual classes, you can apply a filter that limits the search to only virtual class options. If you're searching to fulfill any general ed requirements and want to look at the GE options available, then you'll want to select one of these areas. Once you apply the filters that meet your needs, click on Search, and a list of the courses with those requirements will appear. Also, keep in mind how to read meeting days for these courses correctly. Meeting days will appear as only their initial. For example, Monday will appear as an M. This is true for all weekdays except Thursday, which will appear as an R. If a course has different meeting days, then their initials will be placed next to each other. You can also learn more about a specific course by clicking on View, located on the Detail column. More information as well as a small description of the course will appear. Note that this tool is simply for finding courses, and if you want to register for them, you'll have to go to Schedule Builder, which can also be found on our website under the same tab labeled Courses right below the Class Search Tool section. That's it! Now you can search away!